Hey guys, welcome to another episode of 60 Second Sundays. I'm your host, Dan the Great, where you learn insightful tips that I've learned throughout the week to help you step up and boost your game. I tried making it. The rooster's crowing in the background. I tried making a video earlier about some B-roll and stuff. It was a total epic fail, and then I took a break from it, and then I came back and I watched Coda's video about, you just make it or
do whatever you gotta do to make it
or else. So that was an epic fail. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna make this video today. We're gonna be doing transitions. Transitions help. Shut up, rooster. Transitions help you step up your game as far as having better B-roll or making things look more cinematic, and just adding a couple of transitions to your video will really step it up. So 60 seconds on the clock. Let's do this. Alright, now I've got all the tracks slowed down. I want to slow down. What I want to do is click this icon over here. Those are my transition. Now I'm going to go to custom transition, and I'll leave a link for all these transitions in the description, and I'll link also the YouTubers who provide these free transitions to download. I'll link a link in their description for their channels. Please show them some love. These are awesome transitions. It's a quick way for you to just slap these on, beef up your footage, and just move on with your project of what you want to do. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to select the spin anti-clockwise. I'm going to shrink that down a little bit, and then I'm going to add a zoom in effect here, a zoom out effect here, and then add a shake glitch on this one, shrink that down a little bit, and then maybe add a strobe to the last one. You don't want to put one on every single clip. So now that we've got those in, let's render those out. Alright, so let's watch this track back and then see what adding some music, transitions, and some slow down optical flow on this to see how it better looks. Well guys, I hope that does it for you. Like I said, I'll leave the links for the downloads for the transition in the description, and you just add them to your media folder and then restart your Final Cut Pro 10. You're ready to go. Hope this helps out. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow.